Verify every plumbing connection after a bathroom overhaul by running a full system check under pressure and observing every joint and fitting for signs of leakage. Start by turning on the main water supply and then open all individual supply valves for sinks, toilets, showers, and tubs so the system reaches normal operating pressure and flow. Operate each fixture one at a time while watching the corresponding shutoff valves and expose supply lines for any dripping or moisture accumulation. For concealed joints such as behind vanities or inside access panels, use a bright flashlight and a dry tissue or paper towel to probe fittings, because slow weeps show up as dampening on fabric before you see drops. Run the shower and tub for at least 10 minutes at hot and cold settings to reveal thermal expansion leaks and to stress test slip joints, hose connections, and mixing valves. Flush each toilet multiple times and watch the tank to bowl and floor flange areas for leaks, and listen for continuous fill valve cycling, which can indicate a hidden leak. Finally, if the installation includes a crawl space or basement below the bathroom, station someone there while fixtures run above and have them inspect the ceilings, joists, and expose drain and vent piping for any condensate or seepage. Repeat the above checks after the system has been idle for 30 minutes to catch slow oozing failures. Common mistakes are relying only on a quick visual inspection and not pressurizing the system, which misses slow or pressure-dependent leaks. Fix this by running all fixtures simultaneously and observing for a sustained period. Another frequent issue is neglecting drain tightness and trap seals, which causes odor or slow drainage later. Correct this by filling sinks and tubs with water, releasing simultaneously, and watching trap joints and tailpieces under load. People also forget to check transitional materials like flexible hoses and compression fittings for proper torque and overlap, so hand tighten then quarter turn with the correct wrench and recheck after the first hot water cycle. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like bathroom overhauls. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and troubleshooting experiences.